Hey everyone, in this video we will be comparing three major no-code platforms in 2025. This includes Softr, Bubble, and Noloco. Whether you're building a client portal, a complex app, or a dashboard, I'll break down which tool fits your best project. Softr is a beginner-friendly. It's all block-based and ideal for quickly and building portals, directories, and internal tools using Airtable or Google Sheets. Noloco is also pretty simple and great for internal tools and client portals, especially with strong permission and database filters out of the box. Bubble is the most powerful, but also the steepest learning curve. It lets you build full-on web apps with workflows, logic, and custom data types, but you'll need time to learn it. Bubble is the king of customization. You can basically build the next Airbnb if you put in the work. Softr is more structured with limited flexibility, but you can launch fast and clean, responsive designs. Noloco sits in the middle. It's more flexible than Softr and has built-in user roles, filters, and workflows that work well for client-facing tools. So go with Softr if you want to launch fast things like membership site, job board, or client dashboard. Choose Noloco for internal apps, team tools, or portals that need dynamic filters and permission. Pick Bubble if you're building a custom SaaS marketplace or app idea that needs full control and logic. So which is best? Use Softr for speed, Noloco for power and simplicity, and Bubble for maximum control. If this video did help you, make sure you subscribe and like.